So the title of this Higgs video is Diblock Collider Methyl Methacrylate Monomer Polymer Higgs Signal UFO Shell. So it's talking about the outside, and it's obviously going to have a formula. So I did this on September 13, 2012. I'm filming it today, November the 16th, 2012. My thoughts. Data search continues from the video titled CLIC Higgs Boson Nanofibers Nickel Nanodot Copolymer Thin Film. So I guess this is part 2. Google methyl methacrylate and Google Diblock. So wiki quotes. There's a picture of it. Methyl 2-methyl propanoate methyl methacrylate is an organic compound with the formula CH2 equals CH3 COOCH3. This colorless liquid, the methyl ester of methacrylic acid, MAA, is a monomer produced on a large scale for the production of polymethyl methacrylate, PMMA. Monomer. A monomer is a molecule that may bind chemically to other molecules to form a polymer. Polymer. A polymer is a large molecule or macromolecule composed of repeating structural units. These subunits are typically connected by covalent chemical bonds, although the term polymer is sometimes taken to refer to plastics. It actually encompasses a large class of compounds comprising both natural and synthetic materials with a wide variety of properties. The continually linked backbone of a polymer used for the preparation of plastics consists mainly of carbon atoms. In 1844, Charles Goodyear received a U.S. patent for vulcanizing natural rubber with sulfur and heat. Thomas Hancock had received a patent for the same process in the UK the year before. This process strengthened natural rubber and prevented it from melting with heat without losing flexibility. So the Diblock copolymers, there's polymer A and polymer B. I don't know if you can see that. Pack A with A and B with B, different areas equals curved surface, lamella, cylinders, and spheres. Okay. Diblock copolymer. In bulk and at equilibrium, diblock copolymers exhibit microphase separated morphologies due to the incompatibility between two blocks and connectivity constraint, and self-assemble in well-ordered structures. Okay. So X equals Florey-Huggins interaction parameter. N is degree of polymerization. FA is the volume fraction of A block. So we get spherical SA, cylindrical CA, and lamellar L. And it shows this graph here. And monolayers on a substrate. And then it's got silicon and silicon, okay? Different types of silicon. Block copolymer lithography, large area dense periodic nanoscale patterning. Basic ID, massively process 5 to 50 nm scale patterns using copolymer templates. Some results are 3 to the 10 of 12 holes, post dots on 3-inch wafer, new techniques for profiling soft matter. The answer to similar questions, how stripe patterns get ordered, controlled growth near step edges. So GAAS is quantum dots and holes in silicon, and then O dots on silicon. And that's data sources from www.physics.nyu.edu. September 30th, 2012 was when I was doing the research. I look at the wafers, and I think of the materials used for colliding neutrinos with obsidian spheres. Interesting. I didn't know what it had to do with the Higgs signal. Now I do. Quote from Wiki, a diblock. Block copolymers comprise 2 or more homopolymer subunits linked by covalent bonds. 4. The union of the homopolymer subunits may require an intermediate non-repeating subunit known as a junction block. Block copolymers with 2 or 3 distinct blocks are called diblock copolymers and triblock copolymers respectively. So September 13th, my thoughts. Can we mix the polymer monomer with a metal and make it bendable as a structural unit with covalent chemical bonds and a type of rubber with steel in its mixture so that it cannot melt from heat and will not lose its flexibility? Not sure what the Higgs signal has to do with this. Maybe it's about the field. The mass attracts to the particle because of its polymer properties. September 30th, 2012. I came back to this one and did a Google on diblock, a keyword I missed. Now I know what it means for the Higgs signal, a certain type of diblock wafer to be used in the collision experiments at CERN. along with the formula ideas from the keywords I find. So I'm going to Google Polymer standard model to see if it's possible in the next section. Okay, thanks for watching, and there's another video that goes after this.